Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door vent button on your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the 4 screws securing the door hinge to the front panel. Lift the hinge up to detach the door assembly. This may require some effort. Detach the door wire connector retainer from the hinge to fully release the door assembly. Unthread all of the screws holding the inner door panel to the outer door frame. Separate the inner panel from the frame. Extend the door vent button. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws to release the vent button retainer. Remove the spring and the old button. Prepare the new door vent button for installation by transferring the small magnet from the old button to the new one, or install a new magnet. Position the button in the inner door panel. Position the spring. Then realign the retainer and thread the 2 screws. Retract the vent button. Realign the inner door panel with the outer door frame. Thread all of the screws. Reattach the door wire connector retainer to the hinge. Then insert the hinge tabs into the slots in the side of the front panel. Rethread the 4 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.